Hello, I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the US. Today, we're going to talk about speaking being a marathon, not a sprint. While recording my video, I will also be talking live to my Facebook members as well. So if you're looking and participating actually live today, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Type in questions or comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. Hello, Facebook family. I'm Dr. Priscilla. So those of you who will be joining me momentarily, I want to say it is exciting to be able to come to you today and hopefully talk to you about a topic that is of interest to you. What I like about technology is this. Not only can I talk to you on Facebook Live, I can also reach millions of other people on YouTube. I want to invite each of you to leave comments, ask questions, and help me make this into a dialogue. At the moment, it is a monologue. You may very well be asking, what is a monologue? A monologue is when one person is talking, and this is what I'm doing now. However, if someone posts a comment like Fatima, hi Fatima, it's so good to see you today on Facebook. Let me know if you have a question that you'd like me to answer, and I would be happy to do that. Otherwise, I will continue to talk. So today is Monday. It is the first work day of the week. Most people have already started their job, as well as I have. So, of course, what you may not know is that I do work from home, but I have your interests at heart. Also, if you see my eyes averting from one place to the other, it is because I'm looking at the YouTube video as well as the Facebook Live. At this very moment now, I'm looking at Facebook Live. Now, as I look up, I'm looking to YouTube. So what questions can I answer for you today? Fatima, where are you watching from? Where are you from, Fatima? And I know that you are one of my regular students, but trust it is my head and not my heart that I can't remember where you are calling in from today. And if you're watching YouTube, please tell me where you're coming in from today. Ask me a question. For example, if I say today that we're talking about speaking being a marathon instead of a sprint, you might want to ask, what exactly does that mean to be a marathon as opposed to being a sprint? What does the word marathon mean? What is the definition of a sprint? So let me see if I can get someone to interact with me, and I will start the dialogue. And again, Fatima, thank you for being here today. It is my pleasure to interact with you at some level. But at first glance, I'll need you or the other participants to interact with me. I know that this is something new, and it is going to take a while to build up the momentum of having an audience, but it is an audience that I'm actually looking for and waiting to interact with. And I am doing a live stream. I'm going to go now to my YouTube. I'm going to read something for my YouTubers. Of course, my Facebook family can listen to what I'm going to read as well. So if you're watching on Facebook Live, let me know that you're here. Speaking. Okay. I'm going to go to Breaking News English, find an article there, and read from there. If there is some interaction, then I'll offer a live free class. But if there's no interaction, there's no reason to open up a classroom for individuals. Okay, I'm going to read, Scientists gave mice night vision. Scientists gave mice night vision. That is what I'm going to read today. Although my topic in YouTube says, speaking is not a sprint, but a marathon. Okay, if I can get this one to open, that will be what I will read. There we are. This is the mini lesson. We usually have vocabulary words in our mini lessons. We'll stick with that format. And our vocabulary that I want you to listen for today will be 10 words. Here are the 10 words. Possible, kind, vision, tiny, suffer, published, beyond, potential, equipment, and military. Those are our 10 vocabulary words for today. Here is the article. Scientists give mice night vision. Would you like to be able to see in the dark? One day, this might be possible. Scientists have done tests on mice and have given them the ability to see near infrared light. This is a kind of light wave that mice and humans cannot normally see. Research teams from the University of Science and Technology of China and the University of Massachusetts Medical School changed the vision of the test mice. They injected special nanoparticles into their eyes. These tiny particles let the mice see better in the dark. The effect of the injections lasted for around 10 weeks. The scientists said the eyesight of the mice was not damaged and the eyes did not suffer from any side effects. The research is now published in the research journal Cell. The researchers say they hope the same tests could be done with humans. Researcher Dr. Tian Zhu explained that he hopes for the future. He said, human beings have been trying to develop new technology to enable abilities that are beyond our natural abilities. He said future tests could let humans see things in the dark that they cannot see now. Dr. Tian added, another cool thing about this potential technology is that it wouldn't require a person to wear heavy and energy-intensive equipment, such as night vision goggles. He also said the military will very likely be interested in this work too. So here is the topic that we would discuss, either in Facebook or we can discuss it now. The question would be, should humans be able to see in the dark? And it's open for discussion. Think about the vocabulary words that I have already provided to you. Would you be able to use any of those vocabulary words? All right, Fatima, thank you so much for being here. Although there wasn't any interaction by typing today, it's possible that you're not able to type, and that's perfectly fine. What I'd like to invite you to do is to comment on this post in the Facebook group. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again. Bye for now. Participating actually live today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. This completes the recording for today. For those of you who will watch the replay, thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you will interact and use the vocabulary words in our discussion for today. Bye for now.